welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a black and white themed cake. This is a cake challenge cake from the Cherry Brigade. So in case you are not familiar with Little Cherry Company cakes, she has a YouTube channel as well and is amazing. I could only aspire to be like her, but I am part of her Cherry Brigade, which means that I'm in her Facebook group and I also have access to the forums, and that means that I also have access to the cake challenges. So this is the cake challenge for this couple months. I think it's a 2-month rotation. So if you're interested in her channel, I will link it down below, and let's get started. I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some white fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. Then I rolled out some black fondant and cut out a bunch of squares and placed them along the bottom of the cake. Then I cut out some butterflies out of black fondant and placed them as evenly around the cake as possible. And I cut out some black birds and placed them on top of the cake. And I cut out some tiny flowers and placed them between the butterflies on the side and between the birds on the top. I think this cake turned out beautifully elegant. It has a purity about the clean lines. Lovely. And see the video featuring all the black and white cakes from the cake challenge in the link in the card. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.